Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $204.45 and $386.18 by 2030. Market examiners accept Egld could reach $159.02 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2023 is $36.35. Elrond presentation. Numerous cryptographic money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their tasks and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building an inventive blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some degree control the framework state, which helps construct the organization system. This organization has released another condition of advanced engineering and innovation. Be that as it may, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond environment, its cost presentation since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecasts. With the erratic developments in the digital money market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your speculation would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination devices and expectation specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. In any case, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain foundation that uses sharding for expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the verification of stake agreement system. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thus diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes, yet the confirmation of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the end of PC waste and safeguarding of energy while focusing on their honesty through a remarkable component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center designers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at an expense of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a gigantic accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization charges. Elrond current cost. Elrond is right now worth $45.43 USD. Egld has moved 2.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $34,711,602. Elrond is right now positioned 46 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,133,753,774 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Elrond market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Elrond value expectation 2023. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Egld cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $68.15. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $63.61 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $54.52. Elrond value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Elrond Egld cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $113.58. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Egld's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Egld will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $90.87 and a typical exchanging cost of $99.95. Elrond value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $159.02 and Egld might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Egld is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $145.39 and a low of $136.30 in 2025. Elrond Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Elrond effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the Egld coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Egld will be green in 2026. The Egld is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $204.45, with a base cost of $181.73 and a typical cost of $190.82. Elrond Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Egld cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $236.25 by 2027, with a base cost of $227.16 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Egld has a greatest value worth of $249.88. Elrond Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $281.68. In the event that Egld figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $295.31. Neglecting to accumulate the help Egld needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $272.60. Elrond Value Forecast 2029. While Egld is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $318.03 and a yearly cost close above $340.75 in 2029. Elrond Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Elrond will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $363.46 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $386.18, averaging out at $372.55. Elrond Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Egld cost in 2031 is projected to be $445.24 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $427.07. And Elrond has demonstrated to be a safe, quick, and exceptionally powerful stage that permits the utilization disseminated organization of PCs that resolves the issue of organization versatility. It is a quick organization with many use cases in numerous perspectives like funds and business contracts. This token has seen a great deal of positive responses and patterns since its worldwide send-off, and the commitment of more upturns and what's in store is sure. A ton of critical financial backers execute the utilization of their